Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I color correct this hair using the watercolor method, and it only takes me about 5 minutes to do. So stay tuned, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright you guys, so the first thing we're going to start off doing is heating up some hot water. And what I personally like to use is this electric teapot, which I got from Walmart for about $10. So it's nice and affordable, and it heats the water up extremely fast. And the color line that we're going to be using today is Adore in the shade Emerald. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and add all 3 bottles of color to our pot and just mix it up really well. And one thing I like to do just to make sure I'm not wasting any product is just put a little water inside the color bottle once I've poured majority of it out and just shake it up really good. Because you'd be surprised, there's so much color that gets trapped at the bottom, so just make sure you don't skip that step. So this was my first time doing watercolor on previously dyed hair. I didn't really know what to expect. I just winged it. One of my clients had gave me this hair. It was brand new, but it came colored already, and it was this Grinch green color, and I knew I would never wear it. So I'm like, okay, let's see if I could try to tone it down to a different type of green. So that's why I went with Emerald. So you just want to just go ahead and dunk the bundles into the color, and just make sure you're getting each strand and making sure it's evenly coated. So since I'm turning this hair into a unit, I decided to go ahead and grab a closure from my local beauty supply store. It came in a natural black tone, so I actually had to lift the ends to make it a lighter shade. I just lifted the hair to about a caramel brown color, just light enough so the emerald color will actually appear on it, and follow the exact same steps I did earlier. Just dip the closure into the water and make sure each strand gets coated. I am in love with this end result. It turned out perfect. I never thought I would be wearing green, but this is just beautiful. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it. Comment down below what you guys want to see in the near future. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Until next time, ladies. Bye.